Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy T Miles here. Welcome back to the Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Project Miles here. Thanks for joining back. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of some new equipment that I just picked up. So today I have the Sony ZV-E10 mirrorless vlogging camera. So we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing here. I know that this camera here is a couple years old. I think that they've brought out maybe a couple new additions since then, or like revamps of the camera. But I'm going to be doing a brief unboxing of that and then some accessories that I got for it. Of course, what's a camera without an SD card? So I got an SD card here. I got a tool that, or I guess accessory that I've been using for a little while with my MacBook that I'll talk a little bit more about and how this might become useful with this new camera that I got. Other than that, I believe this comes with the shoulder strap itself, or a camera strap. I picked one up off of Amazon just because I think that this one might be a little bit more comfortable, a little longer even, so I can kind of do like a crossbody wrap with it. Anyways, so those are the additional items that I picked up, and let's just go ahead and jump into it. Open this bad boy up. ZV-E10. This is what it's going to look like when I open it up. And yeah, it's part of the A series and stuff. First impression, really, the box. It's pretty lightweight, and it does come in a pretty compact box. I got the camera with the lens that's included as well. A couple instruction papers here in the box. This is kind of what you see when you first open it. You'll see something like this. Nothing too special there. You got yourselves a couple instruction papers, a protection plan to potentially enroll in, and then just some more information about the camera, serial numbers, what series it is, etc. Typical instruction manual stuff. Then once you get into the actual stuff here, first thing that I'm opening up here looks to be the brick for the charger. Yep, so just a standard Sony brick charger. And then the battery pack here. So alongside this, tomorrow I have coming a couple additional accessories. I got 2 more of these. I believe I'll post a link in the description of where I bought it from, but it was from Amazon. The company I believe is Evo, or something similar to that. I got 2 extra batteries in addition to this one here, as well as a rechargeable battery pack stand. That way I can just have a couple extras. I heard online, doing a little bit of research myself, that these cameras can die a little quickly, especially when you're doing filmmaking and videography and stuff like that. So that's what I plan to do a little bit of the time, is doing some vlogging with the camera. So a couple extra of these on my person will come in handy, I'm sure. I also got a protective film cover or film screen that I'll be using for the fully articulating screen that the camera is equipped with. This looks to be the mic cover here, I believe. Or the entire microphone, yeah. Yeah, the mic over there. We have the strap here, the Sony strap. So yeah, this is a little bit smaller than the one that I have purchased alongside the camera. So this is what the original default looks like. Just the Sony black strap. And then of course the C port. So a unique thing about this camera, which I can dive into a little bit more in a second, is that it comes with C input. So I can, connect a C cable to the camera and then hook it up, to my laptop or to my computer and use it as a video camera if I choose, instead of, setting up a webcam or using my phone. So that'll be coming in handy. And then looks like the last piece that's here in the box is just the camera itself with the lens already attached. Here it is. It's pretty nice. Just from my first impression here, it's not really too heavy, but the quality, this is my first film camera, or my first camera really in general, and so I'm not like I'd say super knowledgeable about cameras, just off the research that I've done leading up to buying this one here. And for my first take, it seems like it is like pretty light. There is a little bit of weight to it. Like it feels like it's worth something. It feels valuable. But yeah, there's a little bit of weight there. The material on it doesn't seem cheap or flimsy really. And for what you're paying for, you are getting what you're paying for. So yeah, I think that the material here is pretty nice. The camera grip feels good. Something that I would, feel comfortable holding like this. I know that some people have, at least on some different model cameras, they've actually opted to like change the grip on the cameras. Specifically here, I mean, just first impression, it feels pretty good. And then of course the lens that comes on it here, it seems pretty nice. Film cap off, that's what it looks like. Yeah, of course it has the fully articulating screen here, so it comes all the way out, does one of those numbers all the way to about there, and then you can bring it back. Yeah, I think that'll come in handy, especially for vlogging, of course. That'll be nice. So yeah, I'm gonna get it set up and get it turned on, and then do a couple tests with it, and I can post those either with this video or they'll be posted on a separate one. But it looks like here there's a place for the battery, of course, right down there at the bottom. And then over here on this side, if I can get it open, is for like the C port, as well as HDMI and an audio input, audio jack there on the side. Hopefully you guys can see that well. And then right up here at the top is an input for a microphone, right there. So yeah, everything looks to be in order with this camera. Yeah, I'm excited. I'll also unbox a couple of these other goodies that I've got here. So there's also a slot there, battery and SD card. Very nice. That's the camera itself. I will set the box aside, clean up some of these extra pieces here. Here is the 128 gigabyte Extreme Pro SD card that I'll be using with the camera. Something really nice about this tool here that I was going to mention is, well, in addition to what I've been using it for, the additional Ethernet port, Ethernet jack there, and then also the HDMI input, which doesn't come on the standard. I believe it's 2017 MacBook Pro. It just comes with the 4 C port inputs. So those have been really useful for me. And up until now, I haven't really had to use the SD or micro SD. And I think now the SD input's gonna come in quite handy. So picking up one of these off of Amazon, it's really not that expensive. I think you can probably find them for like around $20, $25. Of course, they get more expensive with additional inputs and quality, etc. But you can find a cheap one, and if you're just looking for the SD card reader, you can find those relatively cheap. I'm sure just maybe under 10. So that's this here. Super useful. This is just the On brand. Still really nice. And then here is the additional shoulder strap that I've bought alongside the camera. I'll just open that up. So yeah, it has a couple clips here that'll go around the camera, and then these will hook into the ends of these. But yeah, this just feels a little bit nicer. This feels like your typical strap, or like shoulder strap. I guess harder to describe. The material in this doesn't feel all that comfortable. It feels like it's definitely going to get the job done. I don't think that there's necessarily a bad shoulder strap. I think that this shoulder strap, as long as it doesn't break on you, I think the shoulder strap will do you justice. However, I just wanted something that appears to be a little bit longer, or maybe has a little bit more length to it, as well as something that's a little bit more comfortable. This is a little bit more thick here, and it's a little bit softer. Maybe there's a little bit more padding to the top as well to support the back of your neck. So that'll be pretty nice. It comes with a little button here, little camera button. It's pretty cool. So, anyways, I am going to get the mic cover, the battery, and the SD card all put together and get these all inserted into the camera. And then I will catch you guys either at the end of this video or in the next one. Thanks everybody, thanks for watching. If you don't mind, just giving me a like, subscribe, throw in a comment maybe. That'd be great. Thanks everybody. Project Miles.